Once upon a time, there was a man named Mike who had always daydreamed about becoming a millionaire. However, he felt stuck and hopeless, unsure of how to make his dream a reality. One day, while scrolling through social media, Mike stumbled upon a video that promised to teach him how to become a millionaire. Skeptical at first, Mike decided to give it a watch, and to his surprise, the video was full of practical advice and useful tips. The video was divided into seasons, with each season covering a different aspect of building wealth. In the first season, Mike learned about the importance of setting financial goals and creating a budget. He realized that he had been spending too much money on unnecessary things and decided to cut back on his expenses. In the second season, Mike learned about investing and the power of compound interest. He had always been intimidated by the stock market, but the video explained it in a way that was easy to understand. Mike decided to start investing a small portion of his income each month and watched as his savings grew. In the third season, Mike learned about entrepreneurship and starting his own business. He had always been interested in being his own boss, but never knew where to start. The video gave him practical advice on how to identify a profitable niche, create a business plan, and market his products or services. Finally, in the fourth season, Mike learned about the importance of giving back and using his wealth to make a positive impact in the world. He realized that becoming a millionaire wasn't just about accumulating wealth for himself, but also about using that wealth to help others. With the knowledge and inspiration he gained from the video, Mike set out on a path to becoming a millionaire. It wasn't easy, and there were setbacks along the way, but he remained committed to his goal. Years later, Mike looked back on his journey and realized that the video had changed his life. He had gone from a broke and hopeless dreamer to a successful millionaire, and he knew that he had the video to thank for